My name is Emanuele and I am an expert in photo and video editing. Together we can fix your photo by changing the shadow and highlights, modify individual color precisely, improve the eyes and face of your subject by removing skin spots and more. Renovate all ruined photos. Emphasize the curves of your models to make your photo much more eye-catching on social media. Change the background, insert shadow and more. Like create great photo from pure imagination, and all in a short time. Thanks for stopping by to see this video, and have a nice day.